Hi, I'm Susanne Jones and I'm at the International Quilt Festival in Houston. This is my piece, Mama's Christmas Dinner. My mother was a consummate hostess and she just loved to decorate her table, and this is the typical dinner that we would have, turkey and dressing with gravy. I didn't put the dressing on here, but she also made sweet potatoes and orange shells with marshmallows on top. The cranberry relish was always fun because we would do the grinder and the cranberries would pop. And then the broccoli with olive butter was kind of a recent addition, but it became a favorite. My mom was known for her fudge, and every Christmas she would make the fudge and give it away to people. After she died, her friends started saying, "When are you making the fudge?" And I was not the fudge maker, but now they expect fudge from me. One of the really special things about this piece is that she made the placemat with the counted cross stitch, and so I put it on here to kind of preserve it. And on the back, I copied her recipes in her handwriting on fabric and attached them. So I hope this will be something that my children will treasure, and even if they never make the dinner, they'll have the recipes written in their grandmother's handwriting. So this is very special. I can't wait to get it back and hang it in my own house. Thank you very much.